Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to rebuild your site in the studio editor on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have my sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, home, we have the settings, we have the design site, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and rebuild your site in the studio editor on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, go to the top left corner where you have all your websites and find your website. And it will look like something like this. Then, when you open your Wix editor, click on CMC, which is on the left. As you can see, you have the add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and you have CMC here. Then when you click on CMC, there you can go and as you can see, use CMC, easily manage your site content, set up content collection, create 100 dynamic pages, collect info from the visitors. Here you can go and change your site however you of course want and edit it and all those things. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.